Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 2. Not really necessary, but when I was making the icon for video yesterday, I put a white box around there to kind of show the white line. So I'm going to hit the Shift key with that selected, and I'm going to put a box around it. And then I'm going to turn the box white. But then I got to go to Object, Order, Backup Page. Of course, it's the last thing I selected, so now, or last thing I created. So now I need to go to Object, Order, Backup Page on the white. But you see I have a square corners. Well, if you remember from the first video, I rounded off the corners to point or to 3 inches. So now I have just on my graphic so you could print that. But that didn't really warrant a video, but I thought, man, it would look pretty cool to use the interactive fill tool. So the last thing I still got selected is the white. I'm going to go to interactive fill. I'm just going to swipe across. But right here, I'm going to get the elliptical. And then I'm going to put it in the middle. It doesn't do anything because of the fact that it's white. But if we change this to a blue, it fills in the blue lines, and we could reduce that where it's kind of got some fade or even faded even more out to there. So you get a total different look. So making, instead of the emphasis now being on these parts, it's more on the center part like a flower. And you could do a lot with this. Put a yellow in the center. Let's see what it looks like with red. That looks pretty cool. Anyway, just an idea. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.